Ibn Lauma is the Corsair Lord of the Balestorm Avengers. Known as the Black Prince of Slaanar amongst the region of the Outer Reach, this piratical Eldar has overseen the establishment of several outposts within the Slaanar Drift star cluster, concealing his forces within their lambent clouds to better unleash upon ripe spoils for plunder. The patrols of this Corsair monarch roam the Jericho Reach, monitoring the dead worlds of the Dark Pattern. Regarded by his kin as the Night Sky, this outcast of an unknown craft world is adept at recruiting exiles to his cause. His alliance as a senior member of the Conclave of Tears, supplying his compatriots with resources and labor aplenty. The extensive fleet under Eban's command, crucial in transporting members of the Conclave of Tears to new objectives. Even the most well-defended strongholds can be sundered by the guns of the Black Prince. By outward appearances, bloodthirsty and at times jovial, behind the facade, Prince Lauma cares deeply for his own men, though in contrast, nurtures no mercy for his enemies. Attired in a glittering scaled cloak, claimed from the Uberlord of Nebulax Diaspora, those who do not fall to his gilded sword are beset by his six-legged Gaitorex, whose fangs have already sunk deep into thousands of failed assassins and would-be warriors. Though Harlequin Aelin Nuada rarely speaks to Aban in person, Mistress Bakila Uris stands as the closest ally of the Black Prince due to their shared sense of self-interest. Embittered against his nemesis, Corsair Lord Kalufin Baharudor, the Storm Chaser, the bloody engagements waged between these pirates baffles the Imperium, hoping to gain insight as to the root cause. The majority of his rival Corsair's men, drawn from Craftworld Kalor, this inconvenient connection to his comrade, Farseer Erandel Voidsinger, is a point of contention. Yet without the Balestorm Avengers, the manpower required of the Conclave of Tears shall prove insufficient, and thus the comrades of the Black Prince of Slaanar must keep him sweet to continue their mission.